Man, I'm really enjoying my iPhone 12 Pro so far, but I just wish there was a way that I could put a case on it, but it still be safe, like MagSafe, the ultimate safety feature of the iPhone 12 that actually doesn't give you any safety features. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Is this an iPhone 12/12 Pro silicone MagSafe case? Well, let's have a look at it today in another super cool unboxing. So I'm here with the iPhone 12 Pro white MagSafe case. And I know the question that everybody's asking, if you have a MagSafe charger, does this magnetize to the box? So let's find out really quick. It totally does. A little bit. All right, let's go ahead and get this open. So yes, this is the lead accessory right now for MagSafe is Apple's $40 charger. And then you kind of have to have the 20 watt power brick. This is actually the 18 watt from the iPhone 11 Pro. I'm probably not gonna get the 20 watt because that's just me, but it is recommended to get the full charge. That's a whole different thing, but still tied to this because the main reason to get this case is if you wanna use MagSafe accessories. So let's go ahead and pull this out. That's pretty much it for the box. Actually, is there some documentation in here? This is kind of a warning about magnets causing interference. Magnets cause interference. There. You have the case here. There's a little plastic cover on it. It's looking really good. I really like Apple's cases here. And this kind of gives you the instructions on how to put it on, which is literally just put it on the phone. The inside is kind of this soft fabric. That's the one thing I really liked about the leather case when I did the unboxing. You have to believe me, until the iPhone 11 Pro last year and I got that cheap yellow leather case, which I ended up loving, I was not like sold on Apple's cases. I was very much like, go buy a cheap case and just stick with that. But since the leather case is not out yet and I did buy the MagSafe charger, I wanted to go ahead and get a MagSafe case. So let me pop this up here. I have the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's a nice contrast right there between the white case and the iPhone 12 Pro, the blue one. And then of course, this just magnetizes directly to it because the case has a built-in magnet. There have been some reports online that are saying that the silicone cases are getting this ring on it from the magnet being up there. I haven't personally experienced it, but yeah, that's apparently a thing. So if you are gonna buy this case, that's something to be concerned about. And I know what you're thinking, like, oh, how could you personally experience it if you just now got the case and you're just now unboxing it? Wrong, this isn't my case. This is actually for Jeff's white iPhone 12 Pro. This is my case that I've been using for the last week. I have the black silicone case. So if anybody's curious about it, the differences, here we are. And the main thing is it's just a pass-through magnet, so the case itself is magnetic. It just makes it a lot easier to stick. I talked about my iPhone 12 Pro first impressions video, which you should definitely go watch. If you have a thicker case, like usually I get the cheap clear cases, you know, for my first case off of Amazon when I buy a new phone, it actually barely magnetizes. MKBHD in his video, he had a thin case up there and he said it worked fine. So if you're gonna use a thin case, if you're worried about MagSafe, it'll probably work depending on how thin the case is. If you want to be sure, just buy a MagSafe case. I'm not even saying buy the Apple ones. I mean, these are the main ones that are out aside from OtterBox. But I feel like the third parties are going to be blowing up soon. There's probably going to be a lot cheaper options. So I would just say, you know, get your case and wait. Like MagSafe isn't that amazing. If you don't need to have it right now, if you can wait on getting it in general, then just wait. There's going to be a lot more MagSafe accessories in the future. I'm waiting for the wallet still, personally. Even though I heard some bad things about it, but I'm gonna get my hands on it and find out. But yeah, These are the black and the white Apple silicone cases. And my first impressions of them, well, at least with this one after, spending about a week with it, it's really nice. And this is the first time I bought a silicone case. I got this one for about $36 for one, I got an open box from Best Buy because, I'm cheap. Now it's $41 and I had $5 off, so it was $36. Jeff paid the full $49 for this. It's expensive, I'm not gonna lie, it's an expensive case. But the one thing I like about it is it does offer you a lot of protection and it's not like too big. Like they made it big enough where it protects everything. It's got the little camera cutout. Also, it does that when you put the case on, it shows a little MagSafe thing, circle, pops up on the phone. But yeah, they add enough protection to it where, you got a good sized lip around the screen. You've got the lip around the camera, but the case itself is pretty small. Like it doesn't add too much bulk to the phone. So if you like a smaller case, it's still gonna offer you great protection. The Apple one's not a bad way to go, and it just has a nice quality feel. Now, silicone's not too expensive, so I completely understand not wanting to pay $50 for a silicone case. Especially we can go on Amazon and get some really cheap options. But if we do decide to buy one of the Apple cases, they are really good quality. Like this does not feel cheap, it's not like flimsy, and it has a little fabric inside. You keep your phone nice and comfortable. If you're ever worried about how your phone feels, you want to take care of your phone, have a nice soft pillow for it. There's nothing wrong with having a pillow for your phone. But yeah, overall, they're cool cases. I mean, if you want to buy one, buy one. If not, there's some great cheap options on Amazon. I mean, at the end of the day, it's gonna be like, for one, does it do what you need to do? Does this do MagSafe? Will you, be future-proof as far as MagSafe accessories? Yes. If you buy one that doesn't have MagSafe, you might run into issues. Maybe not if it's a thin case. If you're worried about it and you like the Apple cases, this is not a bad option. If not, like I said, wait. There will probably be a flood of cheap MagSafe cases in the next few months. So waiting never hurts, and it probably will save you some money. But that's my opinion. These cases are pretty cool. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe, and always do at least 2 things at the same time. Also, be sure to check out my first impressions of the iPhone 12 Pro. Peace.